Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to create Midjourney AI generated images on Discord. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've joined the Midjourney server. If you haven't done that already, then you can go through our other video. We've also posted a tutorial on how to join the Midjourney server and how to add the Midjourney bot on your server. So talking about Midjourney AI image generator, it is really popular these days. You can see it everywhere, usually on TikTok where people command AI to generate certain pictures. So basically what you have to do for this is enter some keywords on Discord and AI will generate 4 different images using those keywords. This feature is really fun to use and I'll show you how to use it. Let's get started. So open Discord on your phone. So this is the Midjourney server. And here you can see many options under newcomer rooms. Hashtag newbies, dash any number. So you can tap on any of these options. I'll just open this one, 1, 2, 3. And on this page, you'll have to type a code and some keywords. So tap on the message box at the bottom of the screen. And on this message box, type / imagine. And you can see this code, imagine, simply tap on it. And you can see the full code here, / imagine prompt and colon. Now all you have to do is enter the keywords with which you want to generate the AI images. I'll just write something like fall, maple and so on. You might have noticed one thing in the video, that is you must leave spaces between these keywords. Let me add one more keyword, and after you're done typing the keywords, all you have to do is send this code. The images won't be generated as soon as you send the messages. You have to wait for some time. Here besides my keywords and username, you can see that it says 0%. That is the progress of image generation is 0%. Once the figure changes to 100%, the images will have been fully generated. So let's wait until it gets to 100%. We are 30% done for now. And now you can see that the images have been fully generated. Below the images you can see all these options like U1, U2, V1, V2 and all that. Here U means upscale. It helps to enlarge and sharpen the images. Whereas V means variation. And it allows you to make full variations of the images. You can easily experiment around with these features and get to know more about the AI generated images. So this is it for the video. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.